Hello friends, Satyendra here, and in this video, let's create balloons with quantity in Creo Parametric. So let's get started. So this is my assembly drawing, and these are the balloons with quantity which is created using this table. So in Creo Parametric, you have a direct option to do this. So let's understand the whole process. And to do this, first I'll create a new sheet. So this is my new sheet. Now here, first I'll place couple of drawing views, just like this. I'll create a projection view, just like this. Now to add the balloons, first you need to add the BOM table here. So for that, go to the table, quick tables, and from here you just select this table. Place it here. Now here I'll just delete these two columns, just like this. Then I'll select the entire table. I'll go to the format, and from here I'll select the Arial font. You can even go for the Arial bold font. Select this table, move it this side, and then you go for table, move special, select this point. Now here I will add value as 16.5 and 10.5, just to align it properly. So now this table is properly aligned with these borders. Now to add the balloons, go to create balloons, go to create balloons all, select the table, and then you got these balloons here. Now you can simply pick these balloons, right click and go to move to view, and you can move these balloons to this view. Same thing you can do with this option, create balloons by view. So if you go to this option, you can simply select any drawing view to place the balloons. Once your balloons are placed, you can properly align it wherever you want. So using edit attachment, you can simply align it like this. Same thing I will do for these balloons. So now I have aligned all these balloons. Now if you see these balloons are the normal balloons. So to change it to balloons with quantity, you simply select this table, go for properties, BOM balloons, and from here you select quantity split circle. Say OK, and you got balloons with quantity. So this is how we create these type of balloons with quantity. Now in case you need balloons with quantity with the part name, then that is also possible, but for that you don't have any direct option. You need to go for custom balloons. So let's see that. So once again I'll select this table, I'll go to properties, BOM balloons, and from here I'll go for custom, and I will browse the custom balloons. So I'll select the balloons, I'll just open it, I'll say OK, and now you see you got balloons with quantity and part name. So to get balloons with quantity and part name, first you need to create a custom balloons. So I have a dedicated video for the custom balloons. So to get this kind of result, you can watch that video as well. Now let's bring back to balloons with quantity. So once again I'll go to the properties, BOM balloon, I'll change it to quantity split circle, and I'll say OK. And now you got balloons with quantity. So this is how we create balloons with quantity and balloons with quantity and part name. So for balloons with quantity, you have direct option, and for balloons with quantity and part name, you need to create a custom balloons. So watch that video to understand the whole process to design a custom balloon and to use it in your assembly drawing. So that's it from this video. So this was balloons with quantity in Creo Parametric, and I hope this video will be helpful. Now you can like this video if you find this video helpful. You can subscribe to the channel to support the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.